Hi, this is Karen in behalf of Matt Lloyd and Mobe, and today we're going to call Olu Joseph, who has earned $1,250. He's a silver consultant, so let's go ahead and give him a call.
Hello?
Hi, is it Olu?
Yeah, this is Olu. How are you?
Hi, this is Karen calling in behalf of Matt Lloyd and Mobe. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
I bet you
Nice to
are.
hear your voice.
Yes, I know. So fun to receive these calls, right?
Yes.
Because it means that you made a commission, and I see that you made a silver $1,250.
Exactly.
Congratulations. So tell us about the sale. How did it come about? What marketing methods were you using?
Yeah, basically, I've been in MOB for some time now and been promoting the MTTB, but I discovered that this part of the world, nobody's going to pay that kind of amount
Right.
in Nigeria, So I decided to look at the events. So I started promoting the events last month, I guess, at Philadelphia and Perth. And then I got two guys who wanted to attend and had a chat with one of them in Philadelphia, and then he attended the M Freedom workshop, and then he attended the HBS, he paid for it, and then obviously he paid for a silver level, consultancy in the MOB. So I think the events are okay, so I'm going to be promoting more of the events now and then make some more sales.
Right. Yes, it sounds like it's a very good method for you, already working. And how is the follow-up? What are you doing to kind of help increase these conversions? You said that you spoke to the person.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I spoke with the person. I sent a mail to when I saw his email at the back office. I picked it up and I contacted him, and then he spoke with me, and then decided to go for it. So it's good to always follow up. I think I've learned this one the hard way. I used to leave the emails, but now I think I'll be following up more on prospects.
Right. Okay. Tell us about yourself. What was your profession before you found MOB, or what are you still doing?
Yeah, I'm online. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a businessman. This part of the world, like I said, Nigeria, network marketing is thriving, but affiliate marketing is a little bit down. But this part of the world, we get involved more in network marketing. This MLM marketing, and it's moving great. But for me, in MOB, yeah, it's an awesome. I learned a lot of things, and some of the stuff I learned, I've actually used in my business. For example, I now know how to charge higher prices for my coaching and my teaching or whatever it is I'm doing.
Right.
MOB have allowed me to up my game, to place a lot of worth on my services. So I'm into internet marketing, I'm into network marketing, I'm into mentoring, coaching, I'm a man of many parts,
Right, yes.
I provide services, all manner of services,
Good. Okay, so then what brought you to MOB? How did you actually find MOB?
Oh, yeah, a friend of mine, contacted me on Facebook and said, Olu, check out, this company, and he gave me his affiliate link, and I signed up instantly. I signed up, and then I paid for the silver level, which was MLR then, and then I actually made a couple of thousands from MLR before. Then I went off, doing my network marketing, and then I came back. Now I'm fully back, going to be promoting MOB this year, next year, continuously. MOB is awesome.
It is. Well, I'm glad to hear that. And what words of advice would you give to our listeners that might just be starting out with MOB?
Oh, guys, MOB is awesome. All you need to do is try and work with your coach. That is number one. Number two, try and promote the event. I've also been at HBS before in Massachusetts, Hartford. I was there, try and attend an event, so that I can know how MOB works. And then you try and meet some of the leaders like John Chow, Carolina Milan. I met her in New York in August. Wow, it was awesome,
Yeah.
So new guys, MOB is awesome, it's great. Of course, you have a lot of information in your hands, but you need to streamline and then work with your coach,
Mm-hmm.
and then before you know it, you are making the sales.
Absolutely. Is there anything else you'd like to share?
Yeah, let's attend events. Next year, I'm going to be coming for the traffic summit. So I believe we should just do more of events,
Mm-hmm.
attend events, meet the top guys, learn more, and do some mastermind. It doesn't matter where you are in, whether you're in Nigeria, or you are in US, or wherever it is, you can make a sale, right?
Right.
Great.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for giving us a few minutes of your time. Congratulations. We're so happy that you're finding success with MOB, and I certainly look forward to calling you in the future with more of these commissions. So keep up the good work.
Exactly. Thank you.
All
I
right.
appreciate it.
Have a wonderful day.
All right. See you
Okay.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.